Ever wondered about the best places to visit in Vancouver Island and Victoria? Well, we've got you covered. Picture yourself immersed in breathtaking landscapes, engaging in unique experiences, and embarking on unforgettable adventures. Whether it's the tranquil beauty of a lush garden, the historic allure of a renowned museum, or the adrenaline rush of a thrilling whale-watching tour, Vancouver Island and Victoria have it all. So, sit back, relax, and let your imagination wander. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 must-visit spots on Vancouver Island and Victoria. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the enchanting Butchart Gardens in Brentwood Bay. This magical place is more than just a garden. It's a testament to a century of dedicated horticulture. Over 100 years ago, Jenny Butchart began transforming her husband's exhausted limestone quarry into the vibrant sunken garden, which to this day remains a beloved highlight of the Butchart Gardens. Throughout the year, the gardens come alive with seasonal displays, each offering a unique spectacle of blooms. Visitors can immerse themselves in the exquisite beauty of the rose garden, the serene tranquility of the Japanese garden, or the whimsical charm of the Italian garden. But it's not all about flora here. You can also embark on a delightful garden tour, learning about the history and horticulture of Butchart Gardens, or enjoy a fine dining experience at the dining room restaurant, where the menu is as delightful as the garden views. A trip to Vancouver Island would be incomplete without a visit to the mesmerizing Butchart Gardens. Coming in at number 4, we have the majestic Beacon Hill Park in Victoria. This urban oasis is a perfect blend of carefully manicured gardens and wild natural landscapes. It's a place where the city's hustle and bustle fades into the background, replaced by the soothing sounds of rustling leaves and chirping birds. One of the park's standout features is the Beacon Hill Children's Farm. This place is a paradise for the young and the young at heart, where you can meet and greet a variety of adorable farm animals. But that's not all. Beacon Hill Park is a haven for outdoor activities. You can lose yourself in the park's hiking trails, surrounded by towering trees and stunning floral displays. Or perhaps spread a blanket under a cherry blossom tree and enjoy a relaxing picnic. For nature lovers, Beacon Hill Park is a must-visit destination, a place where you can connect with nature while still being in the heart of the city. At number 3, we bring you the captivating Royal BC Museum in Victoria. Tucked within the heart of the city, this museum is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering a deep dive into the region's rich natural and human history. Here, you can traverse through time, witnessing the evolution of British Columbia, from the Ice Age to the modern era, all under one roof. The museum's fascinating exhibits breathe life into the past, presenting an immersive experience that will leave you feeling like a part of history. It's not just about relics and artifacts. The Royal BC Museum also showcases the vibrant Indigenous cultures that have shaped the region, providing a unique perspective into their traditions and way of life. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The museum houses a must-see IMAX theater, where you can witness spectacular cinematic experiences that will leave you spellbound. For those seeking knowledge and adventure, the Royal BC Museum is a perfect blend. Number 2 on our list are the thrilling whale-watching tours off the coast of Vancouver Island. Imagine the exhilaration of watching these magnificent marine mammals as they breach the water's surface, their massive bodies momentarily airborne before they plunge back into the depths. Vancouver Island is home to a variety of whales, including the graceful humpbacks, the playful orcas, and the elusive minke whales. The best time to join these tours is from May to October, when the whales are most active. You'll find yourself holding your breath as these majestic creatures glide past your boat, their sheer size and power leaving you awestruck. For an adrenaline-pumping experience, don't miss out on the whale-watching tours. And finally, at number 1, we have the spectacular Inner Harbour in Victoria. A gem sparkling with beauty, the Inner Harbour is a sight to behold. Its waterfront is a breathtaking spectacle, a dance of ripples under the setting sun, a canvas of colors that leaves you mesmerized. Then, there's the iconic Fairmont Empress Hotel, a symbol of grandeur and elegance, its majestic architecture a testament to a bygone era. Activities at the Inner Harbour are aplenty. Fancy a romantic carriage ride or perhaps a guided tour of the harbor? There's something for everyone. A visit to the Inner Harbour isn't just a visit, it's an experience. For the ultimate Vancouver Island and Victoria experience, the Inner Harbour is the place to be. There you have it, the top 5 must-visit spots on Vancouver Island and Victoria. From the enchanting Butchart Gardens, through the majestic Beacon Hill Park and captivating Royal BC Museum, to the thrilling whale-watching tours and spectacular inner harbor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Happy travels!